Curry powder is a basic spice that everyone needs to make the best curries. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you how to make the most flavorful beans curry ever. And the best part about the recipe is that you can meal prep and enjoy during the rest of the week. For the recipe, you'll need around 2 to 3 cups of parboiled red kidney beans, which are so nutritious. Also, you'll need 2 blended tomatoes, yellow and red capsicum, 1 zucchini, 1 large onion, crushed ginger, which I absolutely love adding into my beans, and I have coriander, and carrots. So I'm going to start cooking by placing a pan over medium low flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And for the recipe, because we're making curry beans, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of curry powder, which you're going to toast for around 10 seconds. Toasting the curry powder is going to make it very aromatic. So after around 10 seconds, you're going to add in your onions. Cook your onions until they have a very nice golden brown color. After toasting the curry powder, the aroma in the kitchen is so good. So once my onions are ready, I'm going to add in my ginger. This is a teaspoon of grated ginger. Cook the ginger and the onions for around 30 seconds. When everything is ready, you're going to add in your carrots. Stir in. Add in 2 blended tomatoes. 1 heaped teaspoon of tomato paste. Stir in, and yes, I love the colors. Stir in and cook your tomatoes and carrots for around a minute or until the tomatoes are cooked down. While the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be adding in some seasoning, and I have a beef stock cube. You can also add in a chicken or vegetable stock cube. Then I'm going to add in some salt. The stock cube adds salt, so I'm just adding in a little bit more to fully season my curry. Stir in. Reduce the flames to medium-low. Keep stirring as the tomatoes are cooking, and if you notice that your pan is drying out, add in a splash of water, which is going to help the tomatoes to cook down. The trick here is to cook down the tomatoes until you notice a layer of cooking oil on top. That is when the tomatoes will be ready. I love throwing in a couple of veggies when it comes to beans recipe, like zucchini and assorted peppers, because they add in some color. So because my tomatoes are ready, I'm going to add in my beans. Always keep some frozen beans in your fridge because they save a lot of time. Stir in. Bring the flames to high and add in 1 cup of water. Stir in and let everything come to a boil. Check the seasoning if it's not perfect. You're going to add in a little bit more salt. So you're going to cook your beans for around 3 to 5 minutes over medium-low flame. I'm going to check the seasoning, and I need a little bit of more salt. I'm going to stir in and let the curry slowly simmer. As you can see, my curry is thickening up. Pick a spatula and mash down the beans a little bit. And I'm going to be adding in half a teaspoon of sugar, which is going to stabilize the acidity of the dish. And at this point, I'm going to add in my zucchini. After 2 minutes, my zucchini are softened up. So at this point, I'm going to add in my yellow and red capsicum, which also is going to add in lots of color and sweetness to the beans curry. Stir in and cook my capsicum for around 1 minute because I love my capsicum crunchy. If you overcook capsicum, it's going to lose its color and also taste. So that is a very good trick. Garnish with a little bit of coriander to add in some more color. Stir in, and my beans curry is ready.